All right, so to put a new, after we put our new hub and bearing into our knuckle, we'll put this all back together. So, get this orientated. This is our right-hand side, but yes, right-hand side. Go ahead and get this lined up. Old nut, cinch that on there, and cinch that down at 180 pounds torque, and then back it off and put the fresh nut on. So Alright, so we got all our specs here. So this lower bolt right here, 110. So let's get that one knocked out. 60 degrees, so almost a half a turn. After that, All right. Next on the list, and I'm going to have these instructions. I created these, so they'll be up there. All right, the top one, which is this one right here, that's going to be 60. And then almost have to turn. Alright. There's that one. And next on the list, this 100 nanonewtons, whatever the heck they call them. So, this is the old nut. Don't use the new nut on this. 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 48. Okay, the very bottom is 60. The specs will say like a torque spec and then turn it so many degrees. It's like this one, basically. Just torqued. So, you know, if I take it, go all the way, it's 90. So to 60. Roughly there. Okay. And we got next. Back here, that's going to be 18. Yep, 18. So, what do we got left? So now, the rest of this, well, I'm going to wait on the putting on the caliper and all that. So I'm just going to finish putting this back together. So to do this nut, we put this at 100. So now we're going to back this off and set it to 80 with the new nut. Okay, so the old bolt, the old nut rather, we use this just to get the axle on here, set it to 100. So now we're going to take this off. don't use this anymore. I guess you could use it, but the axles came with new nuts and usually they do. So we put this on here. And you set this one. Double check, I think it says 60, no 80. So set this to 80. Okay. So 80. And then I have to turn it 60 degrees. Figure that's 180, that's 90, 60, somewhere from here. Alright. Hopefully that won't fall off. So, got that, at that. We're going to put back on the speed sensor. Make sure that's clean. In. See that? 30 T30. That. Get around there. Tighten that down. I got a new bracket for this. New bracket. Bolt. Let's see what these are set to. I don't think mine goes down that low. I think these are 9 and 9. So in my book, that's just snug. I have to guess. Okay. Okay. Nothing there. Okay. Good. So now the knuckle's back on and it's done. So I'm going to put on dust shield and everything else, put the brakes back on, put everything back together. The difference is now I'm going to, now that's the SVR hub, and so I'm going to put on the SVR big brakes. So that ends how to put on a, remove and replace the knuckle, and also swapping, a new hub, new bearing. So next video will be on putting this back together, putting the brakes back on, but it's also going from regular brakes, which are the smaller size rotors, up to the 296 millimeter rotors. So, any questions? Let me know. Comments. Happy to answer questions if I can. And thanks for watching.